Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile phone to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mitsubishi Shogun. Not as intuitive as I'd hope anyway, but anyway, we'll start off right. So, no phones, no sign of a phone anywhere, only there. So, on to info. Now, that's already on mobile phone or is already showing, but if it's not, you could have anything here. Voice control, version, calendar. So you then have to navigate to mobile phone, click on. Now, there's still nothing. There's a load of numbers, erase, redial and back. But there's an arrow here. Click on the arrow. Reset all, pairing, lock, registration, phone book. Pairing. Right, so now we'll go to Bluetooth. Watch out at the bottom. And then we go select device to connect, pair device. Select device to connect, that's the ones that are already paired. So we want to pair a device. The connection between Bluetooth devices in progress. Use the passkey 1212. So it's showing hands-free system here. I'm assuming it's that. 1212. Pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. That's a good sign. It's brought up the sat-nav screen on my phone. That's it. That's showing. That's connected.